great at his job, that note is not going to be the biggest opportunity that you think it's going to be. Okay, current pricing color. Okay, I've participated in the due diligence of a handful of pools over the past 2 months, and I'm going to show you what the winning bid was, so you guys get an idea. You know, I'm going to buy the floating mortgage for 2 cents on the dollar. No, you're not. No, you're not. You're going to pay 30 cents? Yeah. 28, 29 sometimes. Here's some. Okay, now this shows you how technologically advanced I am. I tried to get this property. This is on Chapel Road in North Carolina. That's the best picture I could get. So you're going to have to believe me that it's a single family house. Okay. The total payoff, okay, the assessed value is 58.5. There's the assessed value. The total payoff is $17,200. They were paying, but they were behind. You're looking at this like this is your property. Did you buy this house?
I would never pay $12,000 for a $17,000 house. Never.
It's not in your bailiwick. It's not in your swing.
Right.
So you know what we just learned from him? You learn how to stick to your plan. Don't deviate from it. So anyways, here was the total payoff, $17,000. They were paying, but they were behind. There's the note rate, and it sold for $12,000. So it sold for 69 cents on the dollar. That's a big number. Now the other caveat isn't the owner was there. It was the original owner. It was originated as a first mortgage from a bank. So in any event, that's what they paid. They paid 69 cents on the dollar, and you have something to take to heart. You know the next time one of these comes up, you're not going to be betting against that guy.